Welcome back to Forex Bros. As we discussed in our past video that we were expecting that the market will go to the 18, 16, 80 level, and that is exactly what the market did. And afterwards, last week I posted a video in which I suggested that the market will now be making a retracement, and again the market did as it was supposed to do. Now the situation of the market is very interesting, and as you know, I've been silent on my channel regarding the signals because right now the market is a bit confusing. So first of all, starting from the monthly time frame, what as we can see that the market started this impulse followed by a correction which the market has right now started. So whenever we want to measure an impulse and a correction, what do? We take the Fibonacci from the top to the bottom, and what we can see is that the market could retrace up to the 0.382 level of the Fibonacci, which is approximately at 1832. I will be marking this zone because further we will be expecting a retracement to this point. This is a possibility, this is a prediction, and when we say prediction, there is a possibility that the market might do something else. So right now what we can see, because this makes sense. Why? Because will be the left shoulder, this will be the head, and this will be the right shoulder, and after making the right shoulder we can expect the market to move down, as I've been expecting from the last year in December that the market this time will come down, test the 1680, make a retracement, and then come down to break the 1680 level to move down to approximately 1580 or 15500 level. So right now I'm expecting a long-term bearish movement on the monthly time frame, and also the market indicates the same thing. So secondly, moving down to the weekly time frame, what we can see is that market made this M pattern, and after the M pattern, it made a retracement to the bottom neckline. Similarly, what we can see is that market again made this M pattern with an overextended arm, and now we can expect the retracement up to the 1830 level. Again, you can see why I'm expecting this, because the reason is very simple. We marked the monthly time frame, and the weekly resistance retest is also making sense. Another thing which we need to clarify, when the market makes a retracement to the bottom, makes an M pattern with the overextended arm, there are two possibilities. First, the market might retrace to the first arm of the M pattern, and the second possibility is market might make the retracement to the bottom neckline. So right now, as we can see that the market might make a retracement to this arm, and you can see that the market is exactly standing at that point. So on the weekly time frame, now this situation is very interesting, and next week we will have a clear picture. Either the market will start to move towards the downward, or it goes upward to test the 1830 level and then starts to move towards the downward direction. So moving down to the daily time frame, this situation is something like similar, but one thing which I need you guys to understand is that when the market test the resistance and it came down, that was a precise rejection. But as you can see that the rejection was no longer able to hold the market below this 1790 level, and again the market is standing at the same point. So there is a higher probability, not 100%, but you can say 60-70% possibility that the market will be moving to the 1832 level before coming down. So this is the greatest possibility. Now moving down to the 4 hour time frame, if you want to to get the confirmations, either you should enter in the sell or buy right now, or what should you do? As you know that we post signals on our Telegram channel, so do join. The link is in the description. So, and the signals on our Telegram channel are free. On the 4 hour time frame, we can see that the market made this W pattern, and after the making of W pattern, we're expecting that the market might come down to the 1771 level. So when the market comes down to the 1771 level, what will we do? We're expecting, like I told you, we're expecting the market to go up to the 1832 level. First of all, when the market opens in like about 6 minutes, we'll be monitoring the price action of the market at this point. And if we see that the market has started to move towards the downward direction, we'll take a short term scalping trade to from 1790 to the 1770 level, and that will be a good trade because you'll be able to make approximately 200 pips out of it. And from this point, again, we will be monitoring the price action of the market. As you know, as I told you, that the higher probability is market going towards the 1832 level. So from this point, if the market shows a bullish momentum, we can take the trade up to the 1732 level. That is approximately 600 pips. So we're expecting the trades of like 200 pips towards the a shorting trade, and then a long term trade, a longing move, bullish movement towards the 1832 level, 32 level, a total of 800 pips in the upcoming time. So we'll be posting the signals in our telegram channel. Also, if you want us to make a video and analysis for any topic, like how to plot the support resistance, or if you want to learn the fibonacci, or how what are indicators and anything like educational material, just tell us in the comment section and we'll make a video for that. Also, if you want us to analyze a different pair except for gold, also tell us, just tell us in the comment section and I'll definitely make a video for that.